I think I'll start this job without coffee.
I'll fix his hair, son, back with this here universal forward tool. Yeah.
And now we're just gonna add a little bit of coffee. There we go.
I need more!
You gotta be a standard or metric. Standard or metric. I don't know.
I'll never let go, Jack. I'll never let go.
Have you lost your mind?
Hi, bitch.
Oh, yeah!
Say hello to my little friend. What you're looking at is state-of-the-art cutting technology.
Look at that greatness! Yeah! eBay!
If you need a lift, there's one right behind me.
Oh, yeah!
Hello everyone, you probably haven't seen me in a minute, so I've been rather busy, you know, doing me old what I do best. But if you look down below, I'm going to give you a tip of the day, is don't leave your bloody machinery close to wildlife, because you have a higher chance of critters just nipping and picking through your bloody wires. Not really just for a snack, but more or less just to piss you off. Shall we take a look? You can see right there, that was not there last year. Perfectly clean, little nibbles and bits right up the old shaft. Bloody varmints. Tip of the day, try to keep away from forestry, stuff like that. Even though this wheel right here was topped off, could have still got underneath it and had a bloody snug, but it doesn't change anything like that. Always made me nervous about parking a little girl over there. But tip of the day, get an owl or something, like one pissed off alley cat or something like that. Yeah.